I think the lollipop will be the best gift for insulin patients. I definitely recommend you to try this because they are not only innovative but natural as well. Myself, Dr. Bhumika Sahu, and I am a practitioner periodontist. In daily basis, I really feel that people are more towards natural products and herbal as well. And this is the concept in which I think that going natural is very important rather than being using the chemical-based products. So I think this is the biggest revelation this can bring. They told me that there will be no burning sensation as well as there will be no discoloration, which is a very common problem nowadays when we prescribe patients the chlorhexidine mouthwash. So yeah, this is something very innovative and good, I feel. I think dental treatments are something which has to be treated only. There is no medication for such thing, but post-operative management is at most important, because if we use something good as much as they are telling us, then it will definitely be effective and will give better results. I think the lollipop will be the best gift for insulin patients because they definitely have cravings, and not only adults, kids also ask us that, ma'am, we want anything in return for, I want a reward for being a good patient on your chair. So definitely this can be given as it is healthy as well, and it will ultimately give good results to the patients as well. They are very tasty, honestly, first, and second thing is that I definitely recommend you to try this because they are not only innovative but natural as well.